your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast every Wednesday near noon. Ceci est un message test émis tous les mercredis midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs Radio Météo.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, August 3rd for today and Thursday. City of Toronto, for today, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind becoming east 20 kilometers per hour this afternoon. High 24, UV index 5 or moderate. For tonight, cloudy, becoming partly cloudy near midnight. Low 17. For Thursday, sunny, high 30. City of Hamilton, for today, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind becoming northeast 30 kilometers per hour this afternoon. High 27, UV index 4 or moderate. For tonight, clearing late this evening. Wind northeast 30 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 15. For Thursday, sunny, high 29. Extended forecast, Friday, sunny, low 17, high 31. For Saturday, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Low 19, high 29. For Sunday, cloudy with 60% chance of showers. Low 20, high 26. For Monday, a mix of sun and cloud with 60% chance of showers. Low 18, high 26. For Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud. Low 15, high 26. Normals for the period, low 16, high 27. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, August 3rd for today and Thursday. Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon. For today, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind east 20 kilometers per hour. High 25, UV index 6 or high. For tonight, clearing late this evening. Low 14. For Thursday, sunny. High 29. Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. Today, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. High 23, UV index 4 or moderate. For tonight, clearing late this evening. Low 13. For Thursday, sunny, becoming a mix of sun and cloud in the afternoon. High 29. Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. Today, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind becoming northeast 20 kilometers per hour this afternoon. High 25, UV index 4 or moderate. For tonight, clearing late this evening. Low 15. For Thursday, sunny. High 30. Weather conditions at 11 a.m. Toronto, Pearson International Airport, overcast, temperature 22, relative humidity 88%, humidex 29, wind east-southeast 17 kilometers per hour, barometric pressure 100.40 kilopascals and falling. Toronto, downtown 22. Toronto City Centre Airport 22, wind east-northeast 19 kilometers per hour. Markham, Buttonville 21, wind east-southeast 11 kilometers per hour. Hamilton 24, wind south.
Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi. fonction d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs radio-météo.
Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs radio-météo. You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday of each month.
The Environment